Hello guys, good morning. Nice to meet you here. So this is Jenny from the Yealink pre-sales team, which is responsible for the Microsoft MS solutions and also the VC solutions.
And this is Flavia from Yealink sales team. It's great to connect with you guys today.
Yes, it's very happy to have you guys today here. So, firstly, I would like to thank you all of you guys for supporting Yealink in the MTR business all the time. So, because all of you, Yealink stands as the number one market share in this market. So, for the next milestone, I would like to excited to walk you through the Yealink AV1 solution, a comprehensive IP-based ProAV system designed to unlock high-value projects in modern extra-large meeting spaces. So first, we can have a look at today's agenda. Over the next few minutes, we will cover the solution overview to show you the portfolio and introduce some key models and advanced features. And after that, we will deliver a live demo for you to better understand how these features and advanced features look like. And at last, describe how Yealink YMCS simplifies workspace management. But we also would like to highlight at the last of this meeting, of this webinar, we will also prepare a pop quiz and lucky draw for you. So now I think it's time to deeply dive in. So what we would like to highlight is that we designed the pop quiz and lucky draw. All the answers have been hidden in my slide. So please concentrate on the presentation and get the gift card. So when we're talking about the high-end and high-value room, it generally means that a complicated solution. We've found that complex meeting scenarios often involve equipments from the multiple vendors, which can lead to complicated compatibility and post-sales service issues. To stay true to our one-stop philosophy, we aim to transform the piecemeal approach of traditional Pro AV solutions into a truly integrated solution, creating a genuinely unified audio-visual ecosystem. In a word, to simply deliver precise from customization to standardization. As you can see, in addition to our conferencing room video systems, we now offer not only the multi-camera solution, professional audio processor, high-end ceiling-mounted Dante microphones and speakers, but also the control systems, encoder, decoder, and even the audio-video network switches. So we aim to provide a truly integrated and unified AV ecosystem where all the components work together seamlessly to deliver a more stable, reliable, and high-quality experience for our partners and customers. So Yealink AV1 is our flagship Pro AV solution engineered for today's hybrid workspace. It addresses the needs of various room types, from the training rooms and boardrooms, or division rooms, and even the classrooms. As its core, AV1 offers mic-driven camera tracking, sky sound setting audio solutions, and seamlessly integration with Dante and AV over IP. Whether you need customized pickup zones or complex acoustic adaptation, AV1 delivers a unified, high-performance experience. Let's explore the solution in more details. Firstly, for the microphones, we provide with two different types of the setting microphone for different scenarios. CM20, standard setting mic for the middle to large meeting room, aiming to improve the audio experience of standard MTR meeting rooms. With easy deployment method, just plug and play. That's easy. But for CM50 as the premium option for high-end spaces and complicated scenarios like classrooms, which needs to reduce the reverberation, or training rooms, we need to cover a large spaces, and also the divider room to merge or emerge the audio components. And also the CM50 is Dante certified with built-in with 127 max phone arrays. So the next is Yealink also offers the professional DSP APO8. It can support 16 by 16 Dante channels. Besides that, also supporting the analog signal input output like RCA input output, Phoenix ports. To simplify deployment, it supports one-click generation of audio streams and configuration of the audio metrics via the configuration software Yealink Room Designer. It also supports one-click deployment and configuration on the hardware side, just the one-click that button of the system on the APOA, and that's it. But besides of the ProAV solution, Pro Audio solutions, and Yealink also offers the AV over IP as a next step strategy to fulfill the AV1. As this page shows, this is a local control center for Yealink devices, integrates device management, status monitoring control, and automation, which is CT series, including the CT200 and CT300. In terms of interface design, it features visual drag and drop editing, allowing you to quickly create central control interfaces for camera control, volume control, or more. The controls synchronize in real time with device status, making operations intuitive and hassle-free. Automation is also highly intelligent. For example, the Yealink YPS 20% sensor can automatically trigger logic. When someone enters the room, the TV screen turns on automatically. Beyond that, the CD300 can integrate it with the third-party devices to supporting various standard protocols like the displays or projector, including TCP, IP, or RS-232 to control these. And overall, Device Manager acts as a smart hub, enabling unified management and intelligent integration of AV equipment. If you encounter any problem, there's no need to search elsewhere. You can resolve it right here by upgrading the firmware or export the logs. Device Manager also offers powerful capabilities for video distribution. For example, if you can see anytime whether a device is online or offline, what firmware's version is, or whether there are any offline alerts. So besides of the control navigator, Yealink provides the encoder decoder for the video over IP solution, which supports the 4K at 60 Hz lossless video with ultra low latency. It's BYO and ready with USB-C full functionality, including 60-watt reverse charge into our laptop. Intelligent AV switching automatically routes based on HDMI signals and team status. Smart deployment auto-configures based on room type and ultra-rich multiple displays. Output extends signals to distance TVs. These features also make AV1 incredible and easy to deployment. So until now, I believe you have already had a better understanding of what Yealink AV1 features and specifications. But in fact, in addition to the device performance, deployment is also crucial and important. We recommend using the Cat5e cable or higher cables, runs within 100 meters. But every AV over IP deployment requires the PoE switch to meet the limitation list. To simplify the deployment steps and avoid the network configuration error, Yealink offers our own PoE switches, which doesn't need any network advanced settings, just a plug and everything has been configured down. So above is all some detailed specs information of our each devices, but what scenarios that Yealink recommends? We have a summary is in total these 4 typical scenarios. So we don't want to sell our Yealink AV1 in each townhouse spaces, each extra large. We just would like to fulfill our MTR and VC solutions. And these 4 typical scenarios you can absolutely recommend to your customer, which has already been verified successfully and which can support automatically configured. So the first one is about the premium BYOD room solution. And so the BYOD means that we have the third-party MIDIs, not only the teams, and we can also use the encoder decoder to do the AV over IP BYOD. And the second is the handheld microphone with the third party, like handheld microphone, lapel microphone, or gooseneck microphone. And the third one is the microphone and camera linkage in the modern hybrid meeting. So we deploy the different microphones and cameras to set association between them and record the preset. And the last one is the dividible room solution. So Yealink has been invested in the dividible room solution since 2022. So until now, it's already the second generation based on the AV over IP, which is absolutely powerful for the hybrid meeting spaces. Okay, so next step, we can just go one by one. The first one is the best practice of using the third-party handheld microphone. In some special occasions, the customer would like to achieve sound reinforcement or voice lift, or if there are any third-party handheld microphone, those microphone has already been deployed before, and the customer would like to reuse them. So Yealink Pro Audio solution can support integrated with them, as long as we set the correct channel metrics in Denti controller. We set the correct input, output, and to set up that link, and then configure the link view in the Yealink Room Designer of AP08. So then Yealink provides the whole steps on the Yealink support for your reference. We can give you this best practice as a reference. You can just follow that step by step, and everything can be done. So currently, what Yealink recommend to corporate is these two models from Shure. And also, as long as the third party, they can support the analog input output, it can be supported. And this shows you the topology of the BYOM. So you can see just one encoder, one decoder, and an AV bridge. So the AV bridge is a smaller DSP than AP08, but it also comes with the AV extension capabilities, which can be used in the BYOM solution. And you can see just one USB-C cable from the system to your laptop, and then we can do no more other cables required. The third one is the microphone and camera linkage design. So this page just shows you the three main steps to configure it. So compare with the third party, some programming steps. So you can see it's very easy. All the operations can be done on the Yealink Room Designer. The first one is just to customize the pickup areas. So one CM50 can support up to 8 separate pickup zones. And the next, we can click the desired pickup area to bound with the camera, with camera preset. And double-click the desired AV hub components in the link view to configure the mic and camera settings. And the last one is adjust the camera presets to the microphones. Adjust the camera presets in run mode on the Yealink Room Designer via double-click the bound camera to open the settings page. And then you can select any presets or the AF functionalities you would like to use. The last but the most important is the divisible room solution. So here is the topology. You can see all the components, including the cores, including the AV hubs and DSPs and microphones, encoders, all have been involved. And next step, we will give you a live demo. The first one will be the divisible room. We will show you how to design a room fill on Yealink Room Designer, and then to show you the final experience in these spaces. And the second will be the microphone and camera linkage. But before the live demo, I would like to remind you guys to fill in this survey and win the gift. So just scan this QR code and then leave your message. So finally, you will get the opportunity to win this Amazon gift card with 200. Okay, so just send it. We will give you 20 seconds around and just scan this QR code and leave your information. Then we will move into our live demo. Okay, so time's out. So currently you can see the screen has been switched from my presentation to this Yealink Room Designer. So not sure if some of you guys have been used it and played it before. So the Yealink Room Designer here, we have the room file interface and also the device manager. As long as you enter the same AV LAN, then you will got the device list automatically, and to maybe check the firmware, reboot it, reset it. And here we have already created a project of today's webinar, and now we will set a new room file. And here you can see that if we enable this room, and then in the wizard, you can see all the different types of the meetings, including the general meeting room, the U-shaped meeting room, the signature room, and even the divisible room. So today, we will select two-way divisible room as an example. Here, in the room 1 and room 2, we also give you a 3D topology for your reference, as long as we enter the correct room size, include the length, the width, and also the seating of these rooms. And then finally, we will have the table size and the numbers of the TVs. For the next step, you can select which PCs you would like the M-Core or M-Core Pro, or 4K latency casting, or generally casting. And you can select, even we can use the multiple camera solution or just a single camera. And then after that, we enable the BYOM. We can preview the design. Here is a topology finally generated automatically, and we can see what devices included in this solution and their position, and even the connection with kinds of the cables here. All the information have already been involved, and you can download it or share it to your customers, and even include it in your quotation. And we also provide you with the heat map. You can see the microphones and the cameras coverage. Besides of that, here in the list, we also give you options to select the PCs, the touch panels, the CDP25 can support IP pairing with the control, with the host, and also for the caster solution and sharing inputs. And for the cameras, we can select Smart Vision 80 or UVC 86. And then we can also select the camera's quantity you like. And for the audio, you can also select the quantities, so you can customize your solution as you want. And then for the control navigator, and also you can select the display control. If we save it, all the link view has been generated automatically. So you can see that there's no more any other operations have been done. So all the link view has been settled down. And also the room layout, we can select the different pickup zones of the CM50. We can move it or even create a new one here. And then for the UI design is also automatically here. So including the cameras, layout selections, or the visible room. So later in our live demo, I will show you my touch panel to it as well. And we also provide you the link if you would like to be integrated with the third-party control, including other control system like lighting control, curtain control. Yealink also provides the link, just copy it, and then that's it. So I believe that until now, you can see how easy that Yealink generate a room file of a divisible room solution. So now I think it's time for the live demo of the divisible. So on this touch panel, currently I will click the room controls. And before that, I would like to invite my colleague Bella from the next part. Actually, what I'm currently is our ProAV solution, ProAV demo room in our headquarters, and we divided this room into 3 virtual separate meeting rooms. So what I'm currently in is the first room. We are using the Teams account as ProAV AWB, and where Bella in is next to me after that movable wall and in the ProAV 3 room. So I would like to invite Bella to say hello to us. Wait a minute.
Okay. All right, guys. So I'm currently on the second conference room, and later Jenny will do some operation, and it will be merge my room component like my CM50 on the ceiling, and also PDJ cameras, included the decoder with the Yealink display. So every component like the camera, the audio, and TV will be totally be merged. And Yealink currently is the only vendor we providing the one-stop and no programming with the divisible solution. Yeah, Jenny, hand over to you.
Okay, thanks, Bella. So now I will click the room controls and to the merge to the these 3 spaces. So actually in this demo room, we have deployed around 5 displays and 9 cameras in total in 3 separate virtual. So now you can see within around just 10 seconds, and all the cameras has already been merged in from my room, right? The ProAV AWB, and also the Bella. You can see Bella is in the center from that camera from the ProAV 3 room. So all the cameras has already been involved, and also you can see my colleague Sandra and Flavia and some movable wall, our rack, and even the displays here. So now I will switch the preset of the camera to our touch panel. So now maybe you can see here is our touch panel. And here is the interface, the default interface of the Teams room. And then we click here, room controls. What I just operated is just click here. We have the separate meeting room 1, 2, 3, and also room 1 plus 2 plus 3. And we provide the video mode and also the presentation mode and the video conference mode. And you can just select here. And for the divisible room, we even can select any two we want, maybe the first room 1, the room 2, and room 3. And next is a camera. So what I just recalled is this room ACDB25, which show you this touch control so you can see more details. And also for the group layouts, you can see there are so many presets we can recall. For example, if we recall this TV plus CDB25, so then you can see the TV, in total 3 TVs, and also the 2 TVs which has been hidden after that movable wall. And if we all merge the NAC cameras, then you will back to here. And also I can select the CDB25, then just with the one click, it will back to my touch control to the CDB25 as well. So for more features of the multi-camera solution, Yealink currently is still the only one which can provide you the on-device multi-camera solution, which can support up to 9 cameras without any limitation on the softwares, whatever Teams room or Zoom room or even the BYOD. And even during the meeting, if we like to customize a special layout, we can also click here, temporary layout settings, and then you see that we provide 3 different layouts. The first one is full screen. We can select one camera, what I'm currently using, and the division to cover all the cameras, 9 cameras, what we recall just now. And here for more, we can also select if we would like to select 3 or 4, for example, if we select 2, and just to select any 2 here and apply. Finally, you will got 2 more presets here. And we also back to the layout to the CDB25 again. Then we will also show you the template of the third one is a surround. It's a little bit similar to the division, but we can set one camera as the primary camera with the bigger window and others will be smaller in the corners, which is very helpful in the training spaces. We can set the cameras or presenter as a primary camera. Okay, back here, we have the displays to select and also to select the different laptops of the input. And then of these CM50s and also statements of the each devices, including the firmware versions or hardware versions, anything. So if we set this video mode as the presentation for the local 4K sharing, and if we back to display, you can see all the displays has been listed, and we can select each TVs you would like to show what. But if we set it as a video conferencing, all the displays will be merged and to show the save content. So that is the difference. So intelligent. Okay, so that is the live demo of the divisible room. Now I will back to the merging mode and with the individual meeting rooms to show you the microphone and camera linkage. So it will take seconds to switch about the different advanced layout. Please be patient. Thank you. So in total, you see that we also have a notification to show you about 3 seconds in the whole process, which the cameras, yes, you can see now it's back to the whole room view with the preset to show you the Yealink logo and also another cameras from other meeting rooms. So later you will see that it will disabled and turn off. And later, so for the microphone and camera linkage, I would like to say this is not only the microphone and the multi-camera tracking functionalities. For this, we also have the multi-camera IntelliFocus, multi-camera speaker tracking, and also the microphone camera linkage. All of these 3 are included in the microphone and camera linkage. And now I will enable the camera again to show you the microphone.
So currently, hey guys, Vera here again. And currently, Jenny already enabled CM50s and link with the Yealink cameras feature. So the CM50 is the beamforming technology. It can easy to check the location of the active speaker and transfer the signal to the Yealink cameras. And the cameras can check in with the properties and the active speaker's friend and transfer to a remote participant. And if we have our peoples in different location and start to talking, let's see what actions for a Yealink camera.
Yeah, so you can see Bella have already moved to our main room and give you the basic information of the microphone and camera linkage. And after I am speaking around 5 seconds, the camera quickly identified here is the speaker and switch to display site. And we will also invite our colleagues from marketing team, Sandra, who scheduled today's webinar to say hello to us.
Hello everyone, I'm Sandra from Yealink marketing team. Happy to see you guys here. Yeah, I hope this webinar is helpful and can give you a better understanding of Yealink ProAV solutions. Yeah, Flavia say hello to everyone.
Yeah, thanks, Sandra. Hi, everyone. Flavia here. Yeah, thanks for your time for this demonstration. And how about your feeling with our camera and microphone? You can just share your feedback in the chat box. Yeah, and let's hand over to Jenny.
So thanks for Flavia. And later, Flavia will introduce about our Yealink AV1 device promotion strategy to all of you guys. And now I will share my presentation again, back to the presentation. And we would like to show you more information on the Yealink Management Cloud Service. So the Yealink Management Cloud Service, I believe some of you have already learned before, is a workspaces management platform, which is on the Microsoft Azure. And we also have a local data node in New South Wales. So all of you guys and our customers, they don't need to worry about the data security. All the data will be transferred and saved and processed in Australia and New Zealand. No more information to China or other areas. And based on the YMCS, we can manage all the devices, including our MTRs, phones, high size, and AV1 devices. And with a Pro license, we can support the remote management for you. If you have to provide your managed service or post-sale service to your customers, it's super easy to improve your efficiency. And because you know that Yealink also provides the meeting display and wireless sharing presentation system room cost, with these two devices and Yealink Management Cloud Service, we can also support the digital signage. So in some spaces like university or some corporate or shopping mall, with the digital signage, we can just publish some medium, some pictures, or even the advertisement. And the next step, we also have some integration with third party like the service. And this year, with Microsoft releasing their desk booking system Places, Yealink also can support integration with the Places. And because today our topic is about AV1, so I would like to show you currently YMCS has already supported the basic management, including some dashboard overview, troubleshooting, export the logs, or even the device management to reboot, reset, firmware upgrade. And our next step may be the third quarter or fourth quarter, we will support 3D or 2D topology view and to report all the devices through CT200 and CT300. Then in the device list, you will have two separate lists. One is the list for the AV1, including CT200, CT300, and also the microphones, cameras, AV over IP encoder, decoder. And another list will be the peripherals of the meeting room or some standard MTR, just like A50, A40, or the meeting displays or meeting board, something like this. So more and more will be coming, so just stay tuned. So in a word, so what Yealink provides you, the biggest advantage of Yealink AV1 is just one word. Believe it and remember it just one wonder to provide all the devices for you. No need to communicate with so many vendors. And the second is one network. All the devices will under the one AV LAN. And the third one is one software. All the configuration, whatever the cameras, microphone, speakers, or even some advanced camera like microphone and camera linkage, we can be configured and set on our Yealink Room Designer. So in total, it's all in one with the AV1 solution for you. So okay, it's all about today's technical part. So now I will hand over to Flavia to introduce more information on our promotion program and our most exciting parts.
Yeah, thanks Jenny for the product presentation and the good demonstration. Yeah, so now I will take over it to introduce the existing exclusive promotion to you guys. Actually, yeah, you can see here, it's mainly for new customers. So for your first ProAV order, you can get $1,800 discount. Yeah, so the order should include the CM50 and the APO8 we just introduced, and the offer is valued whole this quarter. Yeah. So I know maybe you guys already start selling lots of Yealink, mainly for some media room. And now for large room, training room, boardroom, every room, meeting room scenario, you can recommend Yealink solutions. Like Jane just mentioned, it's one vendor solution and also easy for you guys to manage all devices to your customers. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, if you are interested in this one, you can just contact your DST about this offer. And also today we did a demonstration. If you want to test it by yourself, you can also contact your distributor. We can arrange demo unit, free demo unit for 2 to 4 weeks for you guys. Yeah. So next, the most exciting part is our pop quiz. It's a really fun game. We prepared some questions for you guys. Let's see, it's about to go over everything we just talked about, and then let's see what you guys pick up.
As I just mentioned, all the answers has been hidden in my slide and my presentation. So as long as you have concentrated on the presentation, I believe that it's not a big thing for you. Just scan the QR codes. I would like to join together.
Can have answer here. Definitely I first.
Yeah. Don't need you join. Can answer questions. Yeah.
It's just some simple choice question.
It's quite easy, guys. Yeah.
Quite easy.
$200.
Top 3 answers who answer most question correctly can all get gift cards.
Yeah.
$1,500, $100, and $200. Are you guys ready? 30 participants. We are waiting for more people join. So let's wait for another 1 minute.
Okay, we can just start it. Number 3.
Number 3. I'm like, come on, Alex.
Oh, Alex back.
Unfortunately, what a pity.
Three is quite change a lot.
Okay, so I think we just end the pop quiz. Yes, congratulations for Adam, Alex, and Pat.
Yeah, we will arrange a gift card after this session.
Yes, so the next step, just to fill in the survey. So if you didn't get the pop quiz, so here is still another opportunity to obtain a gift card with 200 as well. Just to fill in the survey, and later we will have a lucky draw to select just one lucky guy.
And at the same time, if you have any questions, just write down in the chat box or Q&A part.
Yes.
Yeah, we will answer that questions. And please remember to take the web survey. Let's see who is the lucky guy to get the $200 gift card.
Not sure. Maybe add them again. Okay, we will just give you 3 more seconds to leave your message to scan this QR code. So first scan the QR code and then no hurry to leave your message. Okay, so I think just wait 1 minute and our marketing team will export this information. Yes, we still have the chance for the lucky draw if you missed the pop quiz. Everyone will have the equal opportunities to get the gift card. Value is also 200. It's the same as the pop quiz. Okay, so I think we can just start the lucky draw. I'm not sure if you see your name already. Okay, we just started. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh,
Congratulations, we have a winner, Ali. Congratulations. After this webinar, our team will contact you. Okay. So final, after this webinar, please leave your suggestions and some more information and some recommendation to us. Whatever is about the products or is about our webinar, any suggestion, if you would like to more interesting parts or maybe the live demo for any others, just let us know. And we will hear from you guys and to prepare a better webinar next time. And also would like to improve and optimize our AV1 solution. So not only the AV1, but also some any other information, whatever on the MTRs or headsets, all are welcome. Okay.
Yeah,
So
that's
there's-
it.
That's it. Thank you guys for joining the webinar again. And hopefully we can get more and more deals together in the next step. Okay. Thanks, team.
Thanks for your time.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Have a
Bye.
nice day. Bye-bye.